Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're already part of the family, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Minara.ai. Now listen carefully. If you are new to crypto, confused by charts, or you are tired of opening many apps just to understand what is going on, or you hear people say AI is trading now and you are lost, this video is actually for you. I'm going to explain Minara.ai like you are a complete beginner. I'll give you step by step with simple terms. No rush, no big grammar, no pressure. So by the end of this video, you will understand what Minara.ai is, how beginners can use it, and important things you must know before using it. So let's get into it. What exactly is Minara.ai? Minara is not just a normal AI chatbot like the ones we already know. Minara is a financial AI assistant built specifically for digital finance. So in simple terms, it means Minara is designed to help you understand, research, and interact with things like crypto, stocks, DeFi, NFTs, and even real-world assets, all by simple chatting. So just think of it like instead of opening your X account, which is the former Twitter, or opening your coin market cap, then opening your Telegram or watching like 10 YouTube videos just to understand the market. So instead of jumping between many apps, chats, and confusing tools, Mineral allows you to ask questions and get answers using real-time financial data. You can ask Mineral AI, why is Bitcoin going up today? Or you can ask her, what is Solana? Or you can even ask her to explain DeFi for you as a beginner. So Mineral AI will explain it to you in a chat, just like WhatsApp chatting. So Mineral is not just magic. It doesn't print money. It doesn't remove risk. So it's simply a tool that helps you understand and take actions more easily. So think of the Mineral AI as a bridge. It connects everyday people to the complex world of digital finance using simple conversations. I hope you understand up to this moment. This video is actually focused on helping you understand Mineral AI properly. In my next videos, I will be showing you how to actually use it step by step, especially if you're a beginner. I'll also be telling you how to fund your wallet and so on. So if you want practical guides, make sure to stay connected. Why are people paying attention to Mineral AI? Because it combines three big things in one place. And what are those three big things? Number one is learning. It helps you understand crypto and finance without stress. So, and the second one is research. It looks at data, trends, and news and summarize them for you. And the third one is action. If you want, it can also help you perform actions like swapping tokens, but only after your confirmations. So most platforms do only one of these, but Mineral AI tries to do the three. That's why beginners find it interesting. So let me explain how Mineral AI works in the simplest way possible. But before I do that, let me quickly direct you on how to sign up. So to sign up on this platform, all you need to do is to click on the link I'll be dropping in the description. Please make sure to copy the right link and so you don't fall for scam links or phishing links. I'll be leaving the link in the description and I'll also pin it in the comments. So the first thing you need to do is to, once you click on the link, hold on. So once you click on the link, you will see a captcha. Try to confirm. Once you confirm and verify the captcha, it will bring you to this page. Then when you get to this page, once you get to this page, you will see try Mineral now and download app. So these two options are very important. But for the purpose of this video, we will be sticking with the try Mineral now. So you click on this, try Minara now, then sign up with either your Google account or your email. So because I've already signed up, it took me straight to my account. So for new users, you have to sign up, but for old users, you just need to log into your account. So after you are logged into your Minara, you will see a chat box. Wait, this is a chat box. You can see that. Ask anything about crypto stocks and more. So that chat box is the heart of everything. You type what you want in normal English. So for example, you can ask her what Ethereum is, and you can also ask her if the coin is risky. Anything you want to ask her, you just need to type it here. Once you type it here, what is, then after typing you just need to click on this icon, then it will respond immediately. Then the next thing, you can also ask her to explain NFT for you. Any question you actually want to ask her, all she needs to do is to read the market data. She will read public information, and she will look at trends and respond with clear explanation. So you don't need to know technical analysis or complicated trading terms or coding. You just need to ask questions, and Mineral will answer you ASAP. And this makes it beginner friendly. So now this is the part that is very important. So listen carefully. Mineral can help with trading actions. Then as a beginner, this is the best way to use Mineral. The first one is to use it only for learning. Ask questions, learn terms, and understand the risk. Then the second step is you use it for research. Then the third one is you should not do not rush the trade. So if you ever decide to trade, start small. Test with money that you can afford to lose. Always read confirmations carefully. So always remember that AI only helps you to think. It does not remove responsibility. So in everything you do, just do that with caution. So who should actually use Minara.ai? Minara.ai may be useful for beginners trying to understand crypto, then people tired of confusing charts, then those who want one place to ask questions, then learners who want AI explanation. So it is not for people looking for guaranteed profits, or lazy traders who don't want to learn, or those expecting miracles. So this is my final advice. Mineral AI is like a smart assistant. So to wrap it up, Mineral AI is like a smart assistant, not a money making machine. If you use it wisely, it can help you learn faster and think better. So take your time, ask questions, protect your funds. If you enjoyed this beginner-friendly breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I will reply. See you in the next one. Bye.